Good morning, everybody, and I just have to have you see this. This is something I ran into while I was door dashing. The man had restored a 1931 Ford F202 to pristine shape. It's amazing. Now, a couple of things you ought to know. To get into this, you need a stepladder. From the stepladder, you have to step on the truck's tires to climb into it. It's got to be at least 5 feet in the air. I don't know how people got in and out of it, but because of that, I could not climb in safely. And this man nicely narrated it for me so that everybody could see the wonderful, wonderful job that had been done on this beautiful truck. It's green with brown paneling, and it says it comes from Tennessee. It is on its way to a museum. The video is not as clear as I could make it, but it is very clean. It has the original potbelly stove, the couch sleeper. It has the original ice box. It is an amazing, amazing vehicle, and I'd love to hear from anybody that has any remembrances of anything like this themselves. Enjoy the show.
I'm going to start right here with a beautiful old school potbelly stove. And we have a little bit of lumber there. Now going down further into the couch, we have a little dry sink. Ample storage in it. For 1931. This cabinet right here I just opened is the ice box. So you have your regular blocked ice that used to go in here. It used to melt down and keep your food cold. Coming back a little bit more, you're going to see the back bed right here. This folds up into a couch. So you can have a little kitchen area even on this side over here. Let's see if we can open this. Can't see because I'm getting blinded by the light. So this folds down, so here's a nice table, kitchen area, so you can cook and do your meal prep. Little areas to put things. When this particular coach actually lives in Indiana at the RV Hall of Fame, antique vehicles that the museum has. So when this came to me, it hasn't run in roughly 45 years. Right now it is up, running and operational. I can take this vehicle down the road now. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. You have a wonderful day, and I'm going to hand you back to the boss.